Hi, it's Martin Van Ness from RHOMBOIDs, along here with Lockwood Athletic Gear, and welcome to our third exercise in the posture series. Again, working with your rhomboids, developing your rhomboids for better posture. Once again, you'll notice that the precision straps are wrapped, so you have very, very light grip. You don't want anything. So this exercise is just a little bit more complicated, but it's a great exercise. You want to pay attention. So your beginning of the exercise is here. Once your hands are out here, you want to push your shoulders forward. What that does is that stretches all that rhomboid area, so now everything is stretched. You roll your shoulders back into a neutral position, and just that easy neutral position, you start coming around. Now as you come around, you're going to wait until just the waist is out of your peripheral vision, you just see it, then very gently turn your pinky up to the roof, and you'll feel it squeeze all the way through. And at this point here, when you're bringing it back, you just want to take the rhomboids and just stretch them back out again and push them all the way out to the end. As you come around, again. And in the second rep now, just again, drop your shoulders. This is the most important part. You notice the shoulders, the rhomboids, everything is stretched in the shoulder girdle. You can roll it back in neutral. Now, your arms are out of the gate. Now it's just the rhomboids and the rear shoulder. And you start coming around nice and slow, and again, where it's just out of your peripheral, you just give it a turn, just a slight turn, and you'll feel the squeeze in between the shoulder blades where the rhomboids are, and slowly use that again, and bring it back again to a stretched position. And what we showed you now is just 3 quick exercises to help you with posture. If you do these and keep doing it and using the precision wraps, these are very important to use these to keep your grip nice and light so you're working the target muscles, your posture will improve immensely. Once your posture improves, more exercises come your way. And we've got lots and lots of great exercises coming down the pike. We've got all sorts of stuff showing you how to use these, how to keep your grips loose, how to target different muscles. John Martin Van Ness along with Lockwood, and we'll see you in the next videos.